guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Corey, aka Mr. Manage. Today we got another model for Xena. Remember how I told you guys that tunnel brace got bent and I ended up taking it off? That part Chevy no longer makes. It's kind of discontinued, so I bought a aftermarket BMR suspension one, and apparently it's supposed to tighten up the tunnel. It's like a tunnel brace. It's supposed to tighten up the drive shaft tunnel, but we'll see what happens. I forgot how much I paid for it. I think it was like 30 something bucks, 40 something, maybe 50 something bucks on Amazon. I will put the link in the description. This is a red one, which my car is orange, as you guys know, so it doesn't matter. It's gonna be on the bottom. They did have a black one, but I think BMR was selling that one. It was a little more expensive, and Amazon only sold the red one from what I remember. And this one also doesn't say BMR on it. Some of them say BMR. So this is supposed to be a direct factory replacement. You're supposed to use the same bolts that are in there, and you're supposed to unscrew them, take off that brace. If you have it, mine is broken, so it's off. I just had the bolts in there, and you're supposed to put the new one in. The reason I got this is because, remember, my exhaust, my American Racing headers downpipes, they were kind of cockeyed a little down, and they couldn't bend that at the Buick dealership, so it kind of like threw my whole exhaust down a little bit. So that was, the brace was going to hit it, and especially when they did the MagnaFlow, the MagnaFlow resonated X pipe, it was going to hit, so they bent it, broke it. So now we're putting in this. This has a little bit of a gap. It's not completely flat across. It has a little bit of a gap in between. So we're going to see if it fits. If it doesn't, we're just going to put spacers on, and we're going to get this guy on. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like as soon as it's on underneath the car. Because again, it's 4 bolts. It goes in, and that's it. And me doing this at home with the ramps, it's a little bit tight. So I'm going to go in there, show you what it looks like, and show you what I did at the end. It's going to be a pretty short video, probably within 5-6 minutes, and that's pretty much going to be it. So here we go. Also, this is the box it comes in. See right here, it says BMR suspension. That's the number, DTB004R. I'll show you guys this real quick while I have the box just before I put in there. This way I can show you guys the gap I'm talking about. So this is what it looks like. It's got a little bit of a gap. You see how it like bolts up? It bolts up this way, and then there's that slight adjustment right there where it's completely not flat. So it doesn't say anything on it, which I'm shocked, but we're gonna put this guy in. Alright guys, sorry if you hear noise. There's just some kids outside playing. This is how the brace looks. I ended up not putting spacers in. There is a little bit of a gap. See if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to get the flashlight down there, but there's a little bit of a gap. So that's pretty good. It's enough for me. I could put washers, I just don't have the right size, so I think for today I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to turn on the car, make sure that it doesn't like rattle, like, because obviously when the car is on, the exhaust is going to be vibrating. I don't want it to vibrate so much to where it's hitting this. So as of now, there's clearance. That's how it looks. And again, this is a it's supposed to help with the drive shaft tunnel when it comes to bracing it a little bit, but it's like a replacement for me. So that's that, guys. Sorry again, it's not the best quality. Again, sorry guys for the noise. That's the best shot I can get. It's literally, those are 15mm bolts. There's 4 of them. Take them out. I have my buddy go on the other side, screw them back in, tighten them down. I don't know if those have specific torque specs. I haven't found them, so I just pretty much made them hand tight and then a little more to be sure. And when I went under there from when the shop did it, they weren't going anywhere. So that's in, and there's like a real little bit amount of clearance. I tried like pushing on the exhaust myself. It doesn't move much. But again, like I was saying under there, I don't know if you can hear me when the car is on, the exhaust does vibrate. So if like I hit a good sized bump, it might maybe temporarily hit it. I'll monitor it and listen to it in time, but for now it's on. It has a little bit of clearance. Worst comes to worst, I can put washers on. So that's how you do that, guys. I try to make this as quick as I can because all my other videos lately have been like 30 to 20 minutes or 20 to 30 minutes. So I did my best. And again, I don't know that it has really any true benefit to it. I just know that I needed something that had a little bit more of a dip. Because of my last brace, and I already explained that. So they say it's supposed to strengthen the drive shaft tunnel, but because I forgot what it's called, like an underbody brace or something like that. But the guys at Chevy were like, I don't know that that thing serves a purpose. So that's all I know. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. We're growing, guys. I really appreciate all the love and support. Let's keep going. The goal is 1,500, and as usual, just a guy living life. And I'll see you guys for the next mod, and we'll see what it's gonna be. I don't even know what it's gonna be, so I'm excited. See you guys. Bye.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Tape my